Okay, hello again there guys. It is my pleasure to show you today the Mark II. Okay, for those of you that have seen my previous videos, I'm now using a more traditional Bedini circuit with a coil, the bi-filar one coil which is here, and I'm now using the rotor with independent magnets on the outside. Okay, it's the same as what we were using last time, this same dish, but with the magnets extended out, glued and taped in place, and that spins there nicely. And these are neo magnets, neodymium rare earth magnets, which I've got off eBay. Okay, so as you can see, traditional Bedini now compared to the tri-filar setup I had before on the interior. That's what I was using last time. And these are the interior 24 coils that I was using. I was using a third to drive and 2/3 to collect the back EMF off. Circuit's still the same. Transistor there. The reason for the change is because the magnets arrived and blew a transistor, and 10 minutes ago just blew another one. Don't forget to put your neon on. Very important, the neons. Save you many pennies on the transistor. Okay, same batteries, 12 volt, 7 amp hours. But because I'm using this setup we were using before, none of these coils are being used. But we still have on the underside of the ring this set of magnets, north south north south north south. The neos on the outside here are all north facing out, north 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 out, all of them, all 6. The ones on the interior rim, however, are north south north south. So I was thinking to myself, can I not use this configuration here? Because I was only using none of this PCB is wired in, by the way. All the connections are severed. You can see here these 2 wires are the only, I'll get this to focus for you. These 2 wires leading down go straight through. They go straight through the hole. There's no link to the PCB at all. Okay. So I decided to hook up a bridge rectifier. I only have one at the minute, so basically I've taken 1/3, like what I was using last time for the drive, hooked it up through a bridge rectifier down here. It's a little bridge rectifier which traces back to the batteries, the secondary here. So it's currently a normal Bedini. I'll show you it in operation. Seems to operate quite well. I've not had time to do any tests. I've literally finished building it. I've had no time for testing, but it's very strong with the neos at the minute. So the feedback that I'm getting into the second battery isn't only from the Bedini circuit, it's also what I'm capturing from the tiny little coils inside here, which I hope to try and configure up as an alternator, because they're 8 series wound, 8 series wound and 8 series wound, so it really would be a pain to rewind them all to become like a 3-phase star configuration alternator. But however, once I've got 2 more rectifiers, I'll hook up 3 rectifiers to the interior, so they'll run off 8 apiece, and maybe these neos on the outside, as well as the magnets on the interior rim, will help to induce something in those coils. But anyway, I'll oh, and just before I show you, 220 microfarad 63 volt capacitor there, just coming off the rectifier, the full wave rectifier, the one I've added in off the little coils. So here we go, just put my connections on, and away we go. Still don't have any indication of the RPMs, but you should be able to hear it accelerate. It's just the microphone. The construction's quite botched at the minute. It really does need a permanent fix. You can see it's all secured with tape and even some blue tack and super glue, and the arms on the that the Neos sit on extended out. They're just literally like all these pieces of chopped up plastic that I was using to make basically a stand for my pot there with a nice little lever for accurate turning, and that's just a reed switch there for a different configuration. But yeah, that one seems to run nice. Early indications are that it's working. If anyone's got any hints, tips, comments, questions about this setup and crazy 24 interior coils and how I can best make use of them, then that would be appreciated. Other than that, I have no results to show you as of yet, but it's looking promising. The Mark II is up and running. Okay, so yeah, thanks for now. I'll see you all soon. Cheers. Bye now.